The organisation of modern HPC systems often makes it difficult to deploy tools such as TotalView. For example, the compute nodes in a cluster may not always have access to X libraries or X forwarding, so launching a GUI on a compute node is not always possible. Using the reverse connect feature, you can run the TotalView user interface on a front-end node to debug a job executing on compute nodes. When using reverse connect, TotalView is started in two stages. Firstly, run the TV connect command to create a debugging request, typically from a batch job on a batch node or compute node in a cluster. The TV connect command accepts the name of the program to debug, along with any arguments to pass to the program. The TV connect process blocks for a TotalView session to accept the request. You also start TotalView on another node, which is typically a front-end node. When the user interface opens, TotalView looks for a request, and if it finds one, confirms via pop-up to accept it. If the request is accepted, TotalView starts the debugger server on the node where the TV Connect process is running and loads the program that was passed to the TV Connect command. If the request is rejected, the TV Connect process exits. At that point, you can debug the program in the normal way with the TotalView user interface. So we see how that works in practice. So I've got two command prompts here. First of all, I'm going to start the TV Connect by typing TV Connect and then MPI run on four processes, and I'm going to launch it on a job called demo MPI. So we start that and leave that to run, and then in another command prompt I'm going to start TotalView. So when TotalView starts up, we can see that listen for reverse connections is ticked, that box is on, and we get a question, would we like to accept a reverse connection request? So I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And then the TotalView user interface loads. I can press go. And the job starts. It tells me it's a parallel job, and I can stop the job to set any breakpoints I want to do. I've already got some breakpoints set, so I'm going to go ahead and say no to that question and go straight into the debugging session. So now we can see my user interface, we've got the code, we're at a breakpoint here at line 72, and I can start to debug as normal.